welcome to another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Chappie's on holiday, so I'm the Colonel. I'm filling in for him. Mookie's actually on assignment. She'll be along a little later. So we're going to get started off. I'm going to make a Kentucky drink, very popular at the Kentucky Derby, a Mint Julep. But first of all, I just want to say, before you get on my case about hating on the Colonel, like, I'm not a plantation owner. I didn't do anything in the South that was bad. I was actually a gas station owner that sold fried chicken. And I just refute any allegations or wrongdoing. I was just a hard-working gas station owner that had a fried chicken recipe, and I sold it for a lot of money to a company, and I'm still the spokesperson, so it's all good. So so I don't condone cockfighting unless it's this kind of cockfighting, because the Colonel loves all people. Don't get me wrong, the Colonel's a good guy. Don't hate on the Colonel. In fact, I was once accused of performing oral sex on a chicken. Can you believe that shit? Tastes a lot like chicken. I'm just kidding. Nah, the Colonel don't mess with no chickens. It's unsanitary and bad for you. Excuse me. Alright, so we're going to get started on that mint julep. Start out with a copper mug. Now, every mint julep, you're going to need a lot of crushed ice. So I took the liberty of crushing some ice. God damn it. What in darnation are you doing, crushed ice? Giving me a hard time. God darn it. Alright, we'll get to that crushed ice in a bit. So first up, we're going to start out with some mint leaves. And then I have some mint simple syrup. And I'm just going to muddle it up with the end of a wooden spoon. Alright, we'll get that crushed ice. Alright, as I said, lots of crushed ice. Try to keep the chicken feathers out of your mint julep. Alright. So I got my muddled mint leaves, mint simple syrup, crushed ice. And then we're going to do some nice bourbon. It probably should be Kentucky bourbon. This is Tennessee bourbon, but me and Jack go back a long ways. I love you, Jack. All right. And then I have some Angostura bitters. Give it a good schwack of that. And we got some club soda. And then we're going to garnish. I got a little lime wedge. And a mint leaf. And that's your mint julep. This next segment is called Best Tropical Destination Stories. So send your best tropical destination stories to chappiness@yahoo.com and he'll read them on your show. So this week, Mookie is on assignment. She's in Jamaica gathering a best tropical destination story. So I'm gonna summon the tiki drums and she'll give you the best tropical destination story, Mookie version from Jamaica. So here we go. All right, take it away, Mookie.
Thank you, Colonel. This is Mookie reporting from Ocho Rios, Jamaica. I'm on Turtle Beach, just a few steps from the Greenhouse Bar and Grill. So I've been going up and down the beach looking for the best tropical destination stories. To be honest, my paws are getting a little hot from the sand. As they say, it's so hot out here, fat guys are making their own gravy. So after walking up and down this beach several times, I finally bumped into a German shepherd named Rex. Now Rex had gotten off his leash and went and found some lunch. So for this week, the best tropical destination story, I'd like to relay to you Rex the German Shepherd's restaurant review on the lunch he had. Now, if there's any viewers out there that would like to relay their best tropical destination stories, please send them to chappiness@yahoo.com, and that way I don't have to walk up and down this beach. So, as I had mentioned, Rex had gotten off his leash as his family was having lunch in the Greenhouse Bar and Grill right here on Turtle Beach. Once Rex got free, he went to the back of the restaurant and found a trash can that had been tipped over. Rex says this was one of the most enjoyable dining experiences of his life. So for an appetizer, he had some discarded shrimp tails from the shrimp cocktail. He really enjoyed the texture and crunchiness of the shrimp tails. He could tell they were probably fresh when they were originally served, and he said they were just outstanding. Then he moved on to the main course. He managed to find a dirty diaper. Rex described the flavors as just sublime. The front of the diaper had the perfect combination of sour and uric acid. And then he moved to the back of the diaper where he was pleasantly surprised with a yellowish green sauce that had a certain savory umami flavor that was just out of this world. And then for dessert, he chewed on a discarded popsicle stick. Initially, he thought it was spicy as he had a tingling sensation on his tongue, but soon realized the popsicle stick had been covered with ants and they were biting his tongue. So all in all, Rex gives his dining experience in the trash can behind the Greenhouse Bar and Grill on Turtle Beach 5 paws out of 5 paws. Very positive restaurant review.
Now, Mookie, were you able to sample some of this high-end cuisine?
Well, Colonel, not initially, but later on Rex did throw up, and before he was able to eat it again, I was able to sample a little bit of his vomit. I gotta say, it was just meh. Back to you, Colonel.
You TikTok weirdos gotta stop calling me. That chicken's a liar. Good day.